Hey guys, this is Carrick with Crazy Gaming, and we are back playing some more Jack. And no, we are not playing Jack and Daxter. Man, I gotta get used to playing Ratchet and Clank, man. In our last episode, we finished up the Metropolis planet of Kirwan, and in this episode, we are going to be going to Outpost X11, Aridia, in order to save Skid McMarx. So, let's head on out. Alrighty, so now we're on the planet of Aridia. So let's go to Pyrocenter. So let's see. Let's take a look at our map real quick. We got a kind of a big map. Let's go back down. So that way, there's his ship. So we'll take a look back here. First, let's take a look at the vendor. We don't have any new guns, so let's just keep going. Alrighty, so how you guys been doing? I started a new job, so yeah. Oh, here's Skid McMarx.
It's him, Skid McMarx.
That man from the infobot.
In the flesh, little dude. You guys get a load of that epic space battle I was in?
We saw ya, screaming for help.
That was like a war cry. My agent and I got ambushed on the way to hoverboard practice.
Did he survive the crash, sir?
He's okay, but I've had a little trouble getting back to my ship due to my sprained ankle.
Oh, come on.
If you can take out all the sand sharks, I just might have a spare hoverboard for you.
We'd love to help you, Mr. McMarx, but Ratchet and I need to find Captain...
One of your boards? I've always wanted a decent hoverboard. Well, alright. You just keep that foot elevated.
Alright, so let's head out and let's kill some of these sand sharks. So as you can see down in the bottom, we got the counter of how many sand sharks are left over. And we've also got 7 pods in which they come out of. So let's go ahead and destroy them. So we make our way around. Yeah, things are going pretty well with me. I haven't been able to record as much considering my job, and I got a bunch of other things going on. So yeah, the recording's been few and far between, but hey, at least today I posted the last video of the Jack and Daxter Let's Play, so that's why I'm still hooked on it. Yeah. How you guys doing? Love to hear how you guys are doing in the comments. Yeah. Let's head up this way. Actually, I don't think these guys are actually like pod things that they come out of. I think these are just different enemies altogether, considering that the amount of sand sharks is not fluctuating. It kind of goes to the reason. So yeah, I've been working in a retro video game store, and it's fun to see that a lot of the games I have in my collection and home are actually in our glass cases that are for important games. So yeah, it just feels good knowing that I have those games in my possession, that I don't need to worry about buying them for a considerable amount of money. And if ever I need to sell them, God willing, I can sell them for quite a bit of money. So yeah. Let's see what's up here. Man, I'm down to 1 health. Jeez. jeez. Alright. Is there any more? Explored all the area. Alright. Oh, there they are. They're right on top, and I missed them. Alrighty.
Here, man. Catch.
A brand new Z3000. You can't even buy these.
Well, I got a bail. Catch you dudes at the hoverboard races.
You've just acquired a Gadgetron Z3000 hoverboard. Use your new hoverboard at the racetrack in Blackwater City on Clank Boulevard.
Yeah, we'll have to visit that a little bit later. Let's see what else we got. I forgot to set my timer. Alrighty, so explored this area, so let's go on to the next area. Jump over here, we got some more sand sharks. I'm really liking the pyrocity. And this game is very good with how often they give you ammo, so you won't have to worry much about running out. Just to talk about a topic, the gold bolts. I will be doing a 100% run of this so I can get all the gold bolts and stuff like that, but I won't be doing that until the very end, once we get all the equipment and stuff like that, right before we fight the final boss. Yep. So, let you guys know about that. It'll be its own separate contained video. Won't be too long, but yeah. Video may be a little bit on the longer side, and that's just because I don't have my my timer programmed for this yet, so I gotta get that for next video. Oh, that's right, I gotta switch to the swing shot. So we got a bit of a swing shot portion, so let's go ahead and get through this. Continue to head through.
You can use the rock cameras to control the camera.
Yes, I know that.
If you'd like,
Oh, jeez.
your camera controls. Just select Camera from the Options menu.
Yeah, I've been playing a lot of the original Kingdom Hearts lately because I wanted to play through it again just to remember how good the game was, and the controls don't hold up, but other than that, the game is still really good. But yeah, I'm used to the camera controls being R2 and L2 on there. I don't know why it does that. I find it really annoying. So. Oh, okay. I didn't expect myself to live because I knew that was a stupid decision. But alright. Let's go through here. Swing across like Tarzan. Blow these up, get some more health. And head up here, head up here. Across. Yeah, if we had come here first, and not had the slingshot, we wouldn't be able to do any of this. But we can. And we got this in return.
Yes!
Using the latest in precision laser technology, the Gadgetron Trespasser is guaranteed to work on Gadgetron's line of Invinso lock security doors.
Alrighty, so let's use this on the door.
Lasers are mounted on each ring of the Invinso line. Aim the lasers at the receptors on the outside ring to turn them green. All receptors must be green before the Invinso lock will open.
Yeah, so it's a laser puzzle. Just gotta line them up until they're correct, and once they're correct, the door will open. Simple, easy, to the point. Oh, wait a minute. Can I use this to get back up? Yes, I can. Alright. Because I actually know where one of the gold bolts is. And it's right here, and it's very easy to get. Just jump right down here. And we'll go over here, and there you are. Nice, clean, simple gold bolt. Because that green hook shot is there so that you can get back up. I kind of figured that out by myself on my first playthrough of this game. So, yep. There we are. So, I think, since I can't tell what time my video's at and when I can, when I should finish up, I think I'm going to end it off here. So, next time on Let's Play Jak and Daxter, we're going to be going down this other route to see if we can find Skid McMarx's agent, and we'll see what he needs us to do or what we can get from him. So I will see you guys next time. Just remember to like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do, it's up to you.